How do you say I'm sorry in Portuguese? To say I'm sorry in Portuguese, you say desculpa. Desculpa. That's the informal way, but if you want to be more formal, you can say desculpe. Desculpe. Desculpa, cheguei tarde. Desculpa, cheguei tarde. I'm sorry I arrived late. Desculpe, não percebi. Desculpe, não percebi. I'm sorry I didn't understand. Desculpa, foi sem querer. Desculpa, foi sem querer. I'm sorry, it wasn't on purpose. You can use desculpa with friends and people that you know, and desculpe in formal situations or when speaking to strangers. Desculpa, estava distraído. Desculpa, estava distraído. Sorry, I was distracted. Desculpe, onde fica a estação? Desculpe, onde fica a estação? Excuse me, where is the station? Desculpa, fiz confusão. Desculpa, fiz confusão. I'm sorry, I got confused. So if you want to say I'm sorry in Portuguese, you can say desculpa or desculpe. If you want to learn to speak Portuguese, you can get my course 3-Minute Portuguese by going to www.3minlanguages.com. Use the code WELCOME at checkout for a discount. Obrigado!